So kick drum is a very basic sound. Kick drum, we represent kick drum by B. All right. Sounds like, all right. Sounds like, so it's very obvious. We represent it by B. It sounds like B. So how to do this sound? It's very simple. It's a basic sound. You just have to say B, all right, and cut the portion where you say E. B has two portions, right? B, where you sound like the word, the alphabet B and E. Cut the portion where you say E. It's just the stance where you say B. Hold your breath and tighten your lips. Just tighten your lips and hold your breath behind your two lips. So it's like put pressure and blow air in an instant. It sounds like, you just have to say S and cut it short. S. Just the stance where you say S, the hi hat. So for now, we have two sounds. Think about it. Just two basic sounds, right? Just two basic sounds. I'll make a intermediate beat with just two basic sounds. Is what I'll do. All right. And kick drum, hi hat, right? So let's try to maintain a rhythm. We'll talk about the outward case snare. I mean, it's easy. Just say K. So your tongue touches two molar teeth at the back of your mouth. You just have to say K, A, A with force. A. Just an idea for you guys. I mean, how we can beatbox just using, how we can sound professional just using three sounds, basic sounds. Imagine. Is the hi hat. Just three sounds. Those were just three sounds. The three sounds that I told you.